Hello, I'm Protein, and when I'm not busy lifting weights and running marathons, I basically keep you alive. I'm hungry. Thanks to me. What? That's right. Without me making the hormones in your body to produce the hunger signal, you wouldn't be feeling hungry. Great, thanks. Actually, I'm feeling a little tired. That marathon really took it out of me. I think I might take a little nap. Not so fast. Protein to the rescue! Without enough of me in your diet, your body will start to break down your own muscles. This is where I come in, to repair any damaged tissues and also to create new muscle fibers. Awesome! Give me some of that protein. Here you go. Thanks. I love protein. So, as you can tell, today we're going to be talking about protein. What exactly is dietary protein? It is basically a chain of amino acids that the body breaks down and uses it in all different areas of the body, such as skin, hair, cells, and organs. Fun fact about protein, its origin word actually means first importance. This just goes to show how essential it is to include adequate protein in our diet. So, what can happen if you're not getting enough protein in your diet? Well, your muscles will start weakening and start wasting. You might experience feelings of weakness and fatigue, and also not be able to recover easily from exercise or any illness. Let's go into the specifics of the purpose of protein in your diet. Number 1, creating and repairing tissues. Considering that every single cell in your body contains protein, it is vitally important to consume it in sufficient amounts. The body is constantly repairing old cells and replacing them with new cells as well. And for this process to occur, we need enough protein. Number 2, creating hormones. Hormones are used by your body to send signals, and that's why they're often referred to as messenger molecules. Your body is constantly monitoring and talking to itself using these hormones, and you probably have a few dozen hormones coursing through your veins as we speak. You need these for metabolism, growth and development, immunity, nutrient balance, and reproduction. So the vast majority of these hormones are actually made from proteins. Without these hormones, your body will not be able to function properly. Number 3, creating enzymes. So, in addition to hormones, your body has a lot of chemical reactions taking place. Like more than 5,000. And for these reactions to take place, we need enzymes to be able to speed up the process so that these reactions can happen faster and more efficiently. Enzymes are, again, made from proteins. An example of an enzyme is called lipase, and it helps to break down dietary fat so that your body can absorb it and utilize it. 4, maintaining immunity. Ever heard of antibodies? What about lymphocytes? Macrophages? Well, all these cells are actually part of the mechanism in your body that keeps you disease-free and functioning at optimal health, so that you're able to fight off infections and diseases easily. To make and regulate these immune cells, we need proteins. With a lack of protein, your body is not able to make these cells. Without an adequate supply of these immune cells, your body cannot detect and react appropriately to any foreign pathogens, bacteria, or viruses. Number 5, making energy. So if all these functions were not enough, protein actually helps to make energy in your body as well. When starved of carbohydrates, the liver in your body actually converts proteins into glucose so that your body can use it as needed. So we know how important protein is in our diet to keep us alive and well. How do we know we are getting enough protein? More importantly, how do we know that we are getting complete proteins? Our bodies are great. We can make our own amino acids and our own proteins, with the exception of 9 amino acids, which have to be consumed from your diet. These 9 essential amino acids are only present in some protein sources. These protein sources are complete proteins. Incomplete proteins contain essential and non-essential amino acids, but they don't contain all 9 essential amino acids. This is why it's vitally important to include complete proteins in your diet. No matter if you're plant-based or animal-based or somewhere in between, there are multiple protein sources that you can consume that will fulfill all 9 essential amino acid requirements of your body. Here are some examples. So your protein requirements change whether you're a male or a female, and also depending on your physical activity level or whether you're recovering from illness or an injury. For this reason, there is no one set number for how much protein you need in your diet, but as a general rule, between 15 to 35% of your calories need to come from protein. I will link below some calculators that you can use to calculate your protein requirements for the day. Most people are not meeting their protein requirements, so it might be time to reevaluate how much protein you're consuming. I hope this video was informative for you. Please comment below any questions you have, and I'll be happy to answer them. And until next time, stay well.